Welcome to our channel. Today we how to restore service accounts for automated AI data sync, complete guide step by step clearly. To restore service accounts for automated AI data sync, start by identifying the service account that needs restoration. Access your cloud service provider's console. Navigate to the IAM or Identity and Access Management section. Locate the service account in the list of existing accounts. If the service account has been deleted, check the recycle bin or trash section. If it is not there, you may need to create a new service account. Click on the Create Service Account button. Provide a unique name and description for the service account. Assign roles that are necessary for the AI data sync functionality. Ensure you include permissions for both reading and writing data as required. Once configured, generate a new JSON key for the service account. Download the JSON key file to your local system. Now, navigate to your automation tool or platform. Access the settings for the AI data sync integration. Upload the JSON key file to authenticate the service account. Test the connection to ensure it is functioning properly. Monitor the logs for any errors during the initial sync. Configure scheduling options for the automated sync as needed. Once everything is set up, initiate the first sync manually to confirm successful operation. Regularly review access permissions to ensure they remain appropriate. Document the steps taken for future reference and troubleshooting. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.